morning everyone. Today we are having formation of northern plains. Please go through the formation of northern plains. This is pretty important one. So let's start formation of northern plains. So the Himalayan uplift out of the Tethys Sea. देखो जब वो Himalayas uplift हुए थे then there were very deep compressions in the earth. To fill up these compressions, जैसे snow melt हुई, the rivers flowed out from here and they brought silt with them, which filled off the compressions. So when the Himalayan uplift out of the Tethys Sea, it formed a very large basin. In due course of time, this depression gradually got filled with deposition of sediments by the rivers flowing from the Peninsula Plateau and that from Himalayas. So the land of India, which is very great physical variations, and the plateau is the oldest one in our whole earth. Okay. The whole mountain system of Himalaya is young, with a youthful topography, with high peaks, deep valleys, and fast-flowing rivers. Northern plains are formed of alluvial deposits, and this peninsula plateau is made up from metamorphic rocks and all. Before that, I wanted to tell you that that when the Himalayas were formed, this concept you need to understand properly. Suppose these were the Himalayas. So what happened, जब वो फॉर्म हुए तो जो क्या कहते हैं, हम जब भी मिड पैच होता है, हम कुछ भी खोद बनाते हैं तो पहले खोद देते हैं मिट्टी को ना, खुदाई कर देते हैं उसकी. तो इसी टाइप से जब वो अपलिफ्ट हुए तो यहाँ पर बहुत सारे डिप्रेशंस क्रिएट हो गए थे. ये डिप्रेशन को फिल करने के लिए जब रिवर्स, यू नो दैट मड लाती हैं, सिल्ट लाती हैं, और इससे उनको भर दिया गया. भरने से वो फिर से समतल हो गए, फिर से एज इट इज़ हो गए. सो व्हाट हैपन टू दिस, जब वो फिर से समतल हो गए देन द प्लेन्स वर फॉर्म्ड. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स. I hope you got about the formation of northern plains. Now let's review our short conclusions. Hello everyone. So let's make some conclusions about our understanding formation of northern plains and about the ranges of Himalayas. So as per ranges, you all know there are three ranges: Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik. This is known to anyone. Himadri is also known as Great Himalayas, and Himachal is also known as Lesser Himalayas, and Shivalik as Outer Himalayas. So the formation of northern plains. Plains were formed after the formation of Himalayas. Okay. जो हिमालयन अपलिफ्ट था टेथिस ओशन में से, उसने रिजल्ट किया फॉर्मेशन ऑफ लार्ज बेसिन. द डिप्रेशन क्रिएटेड गॉट फिल्ड अप फ्रॉम द डिपोजिशन ऑफ सेडिमेंट्स बाय रिवर्स. A flat land of extensive alluvial deposits. I told you alluvial deposits कहाँ से आए? By mud and silt taken up by the rivers in the formation of northern plains. Very well. Now a brief sneak peek in the landforms of India. So India के जो landforms है, they displays great physical variation. Peninsula Plateau is an ancient landmass. Himalayas and northern plains are newly made. यानी Peninsula Plateau Himalayas and northern plains से पहले ही present था. The Himalayas are unstable and has valleys, youthful rivers. Northern plain is made up of alluvial deposits, and Peninsula Plateau is made up of indigenous metamorphic rocks. So one thing you need to understand that Himalayas are unstable. आपने सुना होगा बहुत सारे landslides भी आती रहती हैं, whereas the plateau is stable. You know how the plateau is stable, you must be thinking. आपने कभी notice किया है एक जो stable क्यों है? See, have you ever noticed जो plateaus होते हैं वो इस टाइप से होते हैं, flat table top. That's why. So this is all about the convenience. So please go through the lesson and I'll show you some questions for your revision. So the picture is here, formation of northern plains. सो दिस आपको पता है प्रीवियस मॉड्यूल में इंडियन प्लेट, एशियन प्लेट टकराई, यूरेशियन प्लेट टकराई, हिमालयस फॉर्म हुए. दिस आई हैव टोल्ड यू बिफोर ऑल्सो. बट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज, से जब ये हुआ तो देखो अब ये हिमालयस फॉर्म हुए तो ये व्हाट दिस इज़ द प्लेट्यू, और यहाँ पे देखो डिप्रेशन क्रिएट हो रहे हैं बहुत सारे. ये डिप्रेशन क्रिएट होने की वजह से ही जो हिमालयन रिवर्स हैं जो प्लेटो की तरफ से आई, उन्होंने इस लैंड को फिल कर दिया. सो the Himalayan uplift out of the Tethys Sea in subsidence of the northern plank, it resulted in the formation of a large basin. So thank you very much, and please go through the lesson.